Let's eat swicy bulldog, honey barbecue chicken, and eggs. So I just finished making my swicy bulldog. And if you're curious, I use the whole sauce packet. This bulldog also comes with sweet sprinkles, so let's put this on. Yeah. Oh my God, do you guys see the sprinkles? I can smell how sweet the sprinkles are. This is honey barbecue chicken. Yes. That looks so good. Koreans love sweet, and this whole meal is so sweet. Egg and ramen, my favorite combo. I don't remember the swicy being this sweet, but it's so sweet. I need some pickled radish. I love radish. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I don't know if I really like this flavor because the first time I had it, it was not that bad, but it's just sweet. It's not even spicy. Radish. I should have had this with just original bulldog. With the radish on top. Not gonna lie, I'm a little unsatisfied with this flavor. I don't know if this flavor is for me.